joined this William Infosys company, sir,
Hmm.
in the form filling job.
Okay.
Yesterday I worked, it was good only. The server was good only. Today morning I logged in. It
Hmm.
showed that the page has been expired.
Okay.
So I refreshed the laptop, then I logged in. Then it stated that the account has been blocked or terminated due to multiple logins.
Okay.
Okay, sir. But according to the agreement, if multiple login has been done, we have to pay it.
Okay.
And then randomly I got into your video. Then only I realized that maybe this company may be a scam. Like because you also mentioned that William enforces. So how can I stop working, sir, without paying?
Okay.
Because
In this matter, each and everything I'm going to advise you so that you
uh,
don't have to worry about paying any money to them or facing any issue or going to any court or police station or paying any amount to them because they will demand the money from you on the name of agreement cancellation, NOC, penalty, or to unblock your account, they will charge the money like this. So
yes, sir.
because they will not going to give you any money, instead of that they will demand the money, and that is
Hmm.
going to be a issue for you. Because
Okay,
many
sir.
data entry form filling initially they tell you that that much amount of work you have to do and that much salary you are going to get. But after
Yes,
like
sir.
you started working, they will started demanding the money from you in different way. So in this
Okay.
matter, complete solution I am going to provide you so that you can
Okay.
save your time and money.
Have to worry about getting any legal notice hard copy to your address or paying any money to them or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. Just WhatsApp us on this number whatever the problem you are facing from any data entry form filling capture filling company, and then get our help. Like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us.